Hey fam, welcome back to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone. So today we will be learning how to make a paper toy of these superheroes. So these are the demo of Superman and then Iron Man. Captain America! Woohoo! Batman! Spider-Man! Okay, let's learn Hulk today. But before we jump into the video, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and also press on the bell icon to stay notified of all our updates. And when you click on the bell icon, please select all so that you never miss any update from our end. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. So this is the base of our superheroes and all the costumes and face and everything will come under the decoration part. And all the measurements are given in the centimeter. Let's start with the face first. So we have to take a piece of paper and then mark the boundary of 1 centimeter on two sides. Take your ruler and mark the dents. Now erase all the drawn lines so that it looks neat. Cut out as shown. Make 2 of them. Now we have to make the upper portion, which will be 7 by 2 centimeters. So we will be taking 8 by 3 centimeters. 1 centimeter on two sides will be extra. Now repeat the process. Again make 2 of them. Now we will make the side portion of the face, which is 5 by 2 centimeter. So we will take 6 by 3 centimeter. 1 centimeter on both the sides will be extra. Repeat the steps again. Make 2 of them also. Now assemble all the 6 together as shown. We have taken one portion of black for the hair part. Glue them all together and close them in a form of a box. Our face is done and it is exactly of the same size. Now we will prepare the middle portion, which is 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Now we have to repeat the whole process again with different measurements for face, middle portion, hands and legs. And this is how our base will be done. hope that you guys are enjoying the tutorial and the video. So these superheroes can be used as a showpiece in your home, also as a 3D model in your scrapbooks. We will be coming up with the part 2 video of these superheroes, where we will show how to use them in a scrapbook. Let us know your video request in the comment section below so that we can come up with those videos as well. So this is how our base is done. Let's decorate it. This is hair of the Hulk. We are taking purple for the garment of the Hulk. Now placing the eyebrows, eyes and the mouth. Now glue them all together. Yay! Our Hulk is ready. And here is the demo of all our superheroes that was possible for us to display. Please wait for the part 2 video where we will show how to use them in a scrapbook. Aren't they too cute? Are you a superhero lover? Why don't you try it out for yourself and decorate your room and place with all the superheroes around you? Yay! Now do not wait to try your favorite character and then other characters one by one. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye bye. Take care.